What actually happens to your blood sugar after you eat? Why do some foods cause energy spikes, while others leave you tired and hungry again? Today, we'll break down how blood sugar rises and falls step by step, what affects it, and how to keep it stable for better energy, focus, and long-term health. What is blood sugar? Blood sugar, or glucose, is your body's main source of energy. It comes from carbohydrates found in foods like bread, rice, fruit, milk, and sweets. Once glucose enters your bloodstream, it fuels your brain, muscles, and organs. But blood sugar must stay within a healthy range. Too high or too low can cause problems. What happens right after you eat? After eating, your digestive system breaks food down into glucose. This glucose enters your bloodstream, causing blood sugar levels to rise. The speed of this rise depends on the type of carbohydrates, portion size, fiber, protein, and fat content. Refined carbs and sugary foods cause rapid spikes, while whole foods digest more slowly. Insulin, the key regulator. As blood sugar rises, the pancreas releases insulin. Insulin acts like a key, allowing glucose to move from the blood into cells. Cells use glucose for energy, and excess glucose is stored in the liver and muscles as glycogen. Without enough insulin, or if cells become resistant, blood sugar stays high. Blood sugar peak. Blood sugar usually peaks 30 to 90 minutes after eating, depending on the meal. High sugar or refined foods can cause sharp spikes followed by rapid drops. This often leads to fatigue, hunger, and cravings shortly after eating. Balanced meals create gentler peaks, preventing energy crashes. Blood sugar falls. Once glucose is absorbed, blood sugar levels begin to fall. If insulin release is too strong, blood sugar may drop too low, causing shakiness, hunger, irritability, and brain fog. This cycle often leads to overeating and snacking. What affects blood sugar response? Blood sugar response varies from person to person and depends on meal composition, fiber intake, physical activity, sleep quality, stress levels, and insulin sensitivity. Even the same meal can affect people differently. How to keep blood sugar stable? To prevent spikes and crashes, combine carbs with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Eat whole, minimally processed foods. Avoid sugary drinks. Walk after meals and eat slowly and mindfully. Stable blood sugar means steady energy, better focus, and reduced cravings. Blood sugar naturally rises and falls after eating, but how fast and how far it moves matters. By understanding this process, you can make smarter food choices that support long-term health, energy, and metabolic balance.